What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain A3E in the airport lounge. This evening, U.S. Airways AIRBUS A320 by Skymarks. It's in the 1/114th scale. This is the same exact aircraft on January the 15th, 2009. That was piloted by Captain Chesley Sully Sullenberg from New York LaGuardia Airport to Charlotte Douglas International Airport in North Carolina, where U.S. Airways Flight 1549 flew into geese and lost both engines. Sullenberg had to make a desperate decision, and he had to ditch in the Hudson. All 155 passengers and crew survived. Now, this beautiful replication, we'll show you right now, got the stack ports and PO tubes, the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. I'll take you first to the L1 door, right there, and the Star Alliance livery, since the U.S. Airways was a former member of Star Alliance. The U.S. Airways tiles, the two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines coming down the wings of the A320. The U.S. Airways livery coming down towards the tail section of the A320. U.S. Airways old livery. Now I'm going to take you over to the APU and the tailplanes. And you can see it right there. Very nicely done by Skymarks. I got this aircraft in 2011 from the airplane shop in Fairfield, New Jersey. The U.S. Airways old livery, since now U.S. Airways belongs to American Airlines now. The registration of this aircraft come on the wings and up towards first class and up towards the cockpit, and that's it. U.S. Airways Flight 1549 was recovered from the Hudson, and the National Transportation Safety Board conducted an inquiry into the cause of the accident, and that Sullenberg and his first officer, Jeffrey Stiles, were not at fault. They did their job, and they did an excellent job. Today, U.S. Airways Flight 1549 is now in Charlotte Douglas's Aviation Museum near Charlotte Douglas International Airport in North Carolina. Just last year, the highly acclaimed Sully, directed by Clint Eastwood and starring Tom Hanks as Captain Chesley Sully Sullenberg, that came out last year, told the story about this this miracle on the Hudson, as it was referred to by the media back in 2009. So that's it for this aircraft review. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. This is Captain E3E in the airport lounge, and I'll see you around.